Hey, I'm Steve Mignonti here at the SEMA Show 2014 with Kevin Winstead from TCI with some great new products for the 2015 model year. Now, we all know and love the GM 4L60 series electronically driven transmission, but because it's electronic, you need to have a standalone unit to control it and program it. Kevin, tell us what's new here.
Okay, we've got some pretty cool innovations here. Our easy TCU transmission controller will allow you to plug this animal into an older hot rod muscle car, take full control of the shifting capabilities of this transmission. Now, in addition to that, with the new Auto-X transmission, we've got a full engine braking in first, second, and third gear available, and all of that is integrated into this valve body.
So engine braking, which is something you can't get from the factory valve body, right?
That's correct. So for those guys doing the autocross applications, even the truck applications that really want that engine braking in the lower gears, this is the way to do it.
Now, moving on to the Ford world, a lot of Mustang guys have 5 liters. Okay, we've moved beyond that. Now we have the Coyote engine, fantastic motor. Now, the stock automatic transmission that comes with a pretty good converter, but not so great for drag racing. You've got something new. What's that?
We've got something pretty cool here. This particular converter will allow us to lock up the engine, the torque converter, at wide open throttle. You've got triple clutches in this one. It's a bolt-together design that will allow the customer to fine-tune it for their application. If they need a few hundred RPM more stall than what we deliver it with, well, that's easy to do. Send a new stator out, they open it up, change the stall speed, and they're done.
That's a great point. I mean, it used to be in the old days, if you wanted to change your converter, well, you change the whole thing, or cut it open, or send it back to the manufacturer. Now you can actually unbolt it and buy components from you to tune your converter on site.
Exactly. Yeah, pretty innovative assembly here, and this one is for the 6R80 applications, 2011 and up Mustangs.
Now, moving on, this is all about the automatics. A lot of guys still run their stick shifts. We love those. Now, for guys with Coyote Mustangs, again, the factory clutch, good piece, but you put slicks on that car, you're going to start to smoke that clutch. You guys have something for them, too.
Yes, we do. Our new Quarter Master clutch here. It's a twin disc or a single disc, your option, depending on the power level. Single disc is good to 500 foot-pounds of torque. Twin disc, 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. The cool thing about this clutch, other than the capacity, super low MOI. Moment of inertia is really low, lightweight, great clamping force, and the drivability is just like a stocker.
How can our viewers learn more?
The automatic guys can go to www.tciauto.com. The stick guys can go to quartermasterusa.com.
Well, thanks to TCI and Quarter Master for making our muscle cars even better.